Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I take my YouTube videos and turn them into beautiful blog posts inside of WordPress using Elementor. Here we go. All right, let's jump over to the computer here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this quickly and easily. So here's a recent video that I did the other day. This one is called How to Create YouTube End Screens. So the first thing I did, and I talked about this in another video, I'll link that one down below, is how to get your video transcribed quickly and easily, and that is using rev.com. So if I go into rev.com here, YouTube End Screens, I've got the video transcription here that is completed. So the first thing I want to do is actually get that transcript. So I'm going to download the video transcript, remove the speaker name, the timestamps, export this, open up this TXT file with all the text, and then what I'm going to do here is go over to my blog. I'm logged into the back end of the PrestonsCorner.com blog. What I'm gonna do here is create a new post and walk you through the process here with me. So first things first, when I post the title, then what I'm gonna do is pull in the actual thumbnail image, how to create YouTube end screens. Actually, excuse me, I've created a template for this. You guys are gonna love this, so watch this. I've created a template inside of my blog with Elementor, and that is this. So check this out. I go over here to the video, I copy the video URL, I go back here to my blog, and I say I'm inserting a video, and insert from URL. Oh, let me hit that. Boom. We've got a YouTube embed, and then we're gonna go over here to the transcript, copy that, and paste it. We're gonna want to delete that because there is no shortcode. Go back here, just clean it up a little bit. Okay, it won't let me delete that. I'll figure that out. Oh wait, here we go. No, it thinks there's a shortcode because there was an inaudible block. I'll clean that up later. But let's get rid of that. Uh-oh, I don't know how to delete this. No, here we go. Remove block. There we go. Okay. Same thing on this one. Let's remove that block. Okay. So now we've got our title, our video here, and the text transcription. Okay. I'd like to leave some of this in here because it makes it a little bit more personal instead of just jumping right into the content. Then what I'll do is I'll go through this transcript here and I'll add some H3s. So P text and H3s, and then right here at the top we've got the H1. So give me just a second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we're back. What I've done now is I've gone through and added some different H3 headlines throughout the blog post where they make sense. And what I've also done is I summarized the process in the video. So I went through, made some steps right here that make it a little more interesting. Finally, what I want to talk about is I did another video about Link Whisper. You should definitely check that out. They've got some suggested links. I've got to publish the post first, but I'm going to show you exactly how this looks. So, and I'm doing this live here. So inside of WordPress, I'm using a lot of categories here and also tags. So for the categories, I'm gonna tag it with YouTube, and that's really the only one I have in here that makes sense. So I'm gonna leave that. And then I also have some other tags, but this is very important right here, is the featured image. So for that, what I'm gonna wanna do is pull in the same image that I've used for the thumbnail. Give me 1 second, let me grab that. All right, so I've pulled in that feature image, and then finally, I've actually got a tag set up here called video post. Now this is very important because if I put this tag in my blog post inside of WordPress and Elementor specifically, what I've done is I've created a post template for blogs that if it's using that, it's going to pull it in like this dynamically, meaning the title is going to look like this. We're going to have this meta information here. We're going to have the video embed, and then we're going to have all the text down below. If it's just a normal blog post without a video, the general template is going to look like this, which means it's going to pull in the feature image and then have all the text below. Okay? Why is that important? Well, if you try to use the general template, what you're going to have is the actual image is going to be pulled in above the video right here, and it's going to look like you duplicated it, and that's exactly what you don't want. So I'm going to show you how this looks right now. Let's preview the work I've done here. And look at this. It's a little cropped with the aspect ratio, but you get the idea how to create YouTube end screens. And then you've got all of the text that we just created there. I need to add in a space there. That's why we're previewing it. Let's go back in here, make sure we add a little space there, and then go back to the preview link. All right, there we go. This is looking really good. I'll probably go back a little bit later and add some more images and content inside of this since it's more of a how-to video. But you get the basic idea. How to take your YouTube video, get the transcription from rev.com quickly and easily, modify it here inside of WordPress, use Elementor to templatize the whole process inside of your blog so you have a fast, repeatable process that you can use to turn your videos into blog posts. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.